Hello viewers, here is another very short tutorial how to change your cloth colors. So I have already made the selection. Just what you need to do is to make a mask layer with hue saturation. You will get this window, properties. Just click the area you want to change the color. I have selected the red ones. Now just I need to play with this thing. Very simple and easy. You can get all the results you want. Just very easy and quick solution. Just if you want more results, just make duplicate and you can play with again. I hope you guys like the tutorial. It's very easy and very quick solution. Give a thumbs up to the video and stay tuned. Subscribe the channel please.